Hello everyone. So I wanted to do a review on this Ikare double electric breast pump that I saw on Amazon. And the main reason why I purchased this one versus all the other Amazon branded breast pump is that in the description it said that it was designed by moms, or designed in the USA by pumping moms. So I thought that was kind of good to know. So and when I tried to Google or look up the pump on YouTube, there weren't many or any at all reviews. So I thought that maybe this could benefit other moms out there who are looking to find a cheaper, more portable breast pump. And the reason why I'm looking for one is because I'm going back to work in a couple weeks. I do have the Spectra S1 as my main pump right now, but I'm hoping that somehow I can pair this up with the Spectra cups and make it more portable. So this is how it came in. It's in a small box. I do already like the fact that it's pretty lightweight. It kind of just around the box just gives you information. So it says it's designed in the US, but it's made in China, I guess. So that's pretty much the packaging. I already kind of slit open the seal here, so we can take a look to see what's inside. So it comes with a manual, and let me just take a look at this here. This was in that envelope. Send it in. Interesting. I'll have to look at that later. Alright, so in the box here you see it kind of labels what's in each, and I'm most excited about the pump motor because I want to see how big it is. That was one thing for me, was wanting to know like the actual size of the pump, because I plan to carry it in a fanny pack if I am able to somehow connect the Spectra cups to it. That way I can be cordless and like bottleless free when I'm pumping. So this is it. It's really cute. Purple's my favorite color, so I guess. So it's maybe about 2-inch thick and like 3-inch wide. Oh, and another reason why I chose this one versus like the Baby Bella or some of the other off-branded pumps were that this is not touchscreen. So when I was doing my research, lots of people were saying that the touchscreen ones, like once they had it in their pocket or book bag, sometimes it changed like the levels. So this here is like you have to press, as you can hear. So I thought that would be beneficial if you're going to have this in a fanny pack or a bag. So that's one reason why I was curious and interested in this one versus the other like LED touchscreen ones. So this is probably where you charge it. The charging cord goes, or actually this one is. That's probably for the tubing. And the charger's in here. So that's not bad. It's probably like half a pound or something. Okay. Move my camera. And this here is the bottles. So let's see. It comes with the tubing. It looks like it comes with a bag that you can put the pump parts in, which is pretty cool. And nice extra accessory. And here are the bottles. Oh, sorry if I was out of frame. Okay. Plastic. This is like silicone, kind of spongy. Oh, okay. So it kind of fits in there just like that, which I do kind of like that feature, because the Spectra ones are like those plastic round caps that you just kind of sit on top. This actually has like a seal mechanism, kind of like how it fits when you put like a nipple in a bottle. So I do kind of like that feature. And here's the valve for that probably connects to the flange. Pretty solid. And it's the same for the other side, I'm assuming. Yep. It has like the measurement in ounce and milliliter. It can hold up to 6, probably like 7 ounce in here. Let me put that back. Okay, last but not least is the accessory. Oh, okay. So this pump set comes with 24, let me see, 24 and 27 millimeter flanges, and then it also comes with like a 21, I think, let's see, millimeter like silicone insertion. So let's take a look here. Oh, okay. So I'm assuming, oh, so it already comes with one of those valve already in the part here. Let me just scoot this back a little bit, center, so let's see here. So this is the other piece, the other identical piece. Put that up there. And then here we have, this is a 27, as you can see there. And this is the probably 21 millimeter. Oh, and then the 24. And then the 21 silicone insertion piece. Yep, and 27. And I like that it has a cover. And then same, just for the other side, I'm assuming. Oops. Let's put that there. It's your, so the 27, 24, and the silicone insertion. And what is this piece? Oh, okay, these are the nipples for the bottle. It has kind of like grips here to pull off. I'm thinking it's all put together. So I'm charging this right now. You can just see the little charging icon, and the batteries kind of just like ticking. So this comes off, as you guys saw earlier, and then you just put it in like so, and this part just screws like that. So this is 3-piece, the bottle, the flange, and then this piece here. It's all together as its own pieces. And then I have the other one here. I just wanted to see how loud it would be and if I can feel like the suction, how strong it is against my hand. So I'm just gonna set it up. That. So this, I'm assuming, just goes, sorry, out of frame, just goes right in here. Okay. And then this has like the separating side. And there was a single tube. I'm assuming this is if you want to single pump, because it's just one straight tube versus this one has a splitter. So oh, sorry, this one has a splitter and the other one doesn't have that. So, and then I'm assuming that this just goes right in here like that. And this, oh, so this comes apart, and the back flow is a silicone thing. Huh. Nice. And this just clicks right in snugly like that. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we can turn this on. It's pretty quiet. I believe this is massage mode. And this is me not reading the manual at all, so if I do get some information incorrect, I do apologize. And then I believe this button, if you want to change to like expression. Yeah. It's pretty quiet. I think it might be more quiet than the Spectra S1 that I have. Oh, this has a third mode. I'm gonna have to read more into it. And then back to massage, the hand. Expression is the flower, I'm assuming, and then it looks like it's a boob dripping there. I'm gonna have to figure out what this one is. Level 2. Level 9. Let's see. So it can go, all of them can go up to level 9. And it's pretty quiet. So that's it so far. So far it looks promising. Connection is pretty simple, pretty easy. Pretty quiet. You know, lots of different modes and levels and strength. It's pretty simple to use so far. I'll have to look through the manual and kind of read on it just a little bit, but it's your basic, you know, pump, and I'm excited to see, you know, try it out and see how it will fit with the cups that are coming in a couple days. And if you guys want me to review the cups, I can do that too. And if you guys want me to let you guys know or give updates, let you guys know if it works with the cups or whatnot, or the connection, you can just let me know as well in the comments. And yeah, thank you for watching.